If you want to lock SIM on Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening Settings. Now we have to scroll down and navigate into the fingerprints, face date, and the screen lock. Below you will have to go for privacy options and move into that option called more security settings and go for your SIM card. Now we have to click on this switcher, there we go, and you can simply input the current pin of your card. It was incorrect, so let's try the another one. Okay, until we have this notification we cannot input the new one. Let's try one more time. This is actually so annoying feature that doesn't allow us to go forward. There we go. And now as you can see, the pin code is set. So you have to input your code. I mean, it looks like it wasn't any code on this one, but if you actually receive this card from some service provider, there is one pin code that is available even when it's turned off. So we have to input it. And that's basically everything.